Took you a long time to go around all of our inventory that we have here in stock at Northwest Building Supply. Jeez! Happy Tuesday, everyone. I'm going to show you this week a little bit of the process of how to install your countertops. We have a really, really neat install that we're going to take you on. So let's start the process. Well, we're back here invading the space of our favorite programmers. If you remember a couple weeks ago, we showed you our free rendering service. Happens after that. Once your stone leaves our shop, our expert install crews deliver it to your home, where they bring it in each section piece by piece. They can even make adjustments on site when needed to get the perfect custom fit for your space. So as you can see, installing countertops is quite the process. From here, they're going to continue to fill in the seams, and then they're going to clean it up to make it nice, shiny, and sparkly. So here you go. Here is the finished product of a mitered island. It is absolutely stunning, and it's a great option if you're looking for something a little more unique and trendy in your home. Personally, it's one of my favorite styles for a kitchen island. We hope you learned a little something of what it takes to install your countertops. It is a bit of a process, but as you can see, the results are always awesome. Not saying that we're amazing, but we're kind of. Anyways, I'm gonna go in here. It is a giant pantry, and I'm gonna do all the dance moves. All the dance moves. I like big pictures that cannot lie. You other pictures can't deny. When I made you walk in, we are back here invading the space of my favorite programmers.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.